continue the report. My report is about Mongolian ball dance. Jolly police. Please read. Iman. Please read. The search result also indicate that bone runs LBS specific dance style, particularly associated with Mongolian culture, interest means feature the Mongolian bone dance. So, ang Mongolian bone dance daw ay isa itong traditional dance na pag sumasayaw ay nung may hawak sila na itong mangkok na gawa sa kahoy or star, yun na yun. Ang sumasayaw nito ay ang mga babae. Lalaki, hindi.